Every time we face a health issue, we rush to a doctor without looking at the day or time. Be it a holiday or a festival, a doctor is always available, prioritizing community health above self. But do we ever think, what are they compromising while serving the communities? Let us hear from their families.
He's not just my dad, but also an amazing, compassionate, and a hardworking doctor. He has touched many lives with his work. I've seen him making sacrifices. He has not lived with me for the first 2 years after I was born to complete his education. I've seen him leaving the movie theater in the middle of the movie to check up on a patient. I have seen him not charging any fee to the person he saw was not financially capable. But there was a time when I specifically realized how tough his job actually was. This was during COVID time, when all you could hear was a large amount of people dying every day. Despite of that, in those circumstances, he went to work every day and ended up getting COVID positive himself. I remember this was a very difficult time for our family, but he ended up getting well and getting COVID negative, and he went to work in wave 2 as well. So doctors, your work is highly, highly, highly appreciable, and thank you for everything you do for the community.
No doctor can work peacefully without family support.
She selflessly devotes her time, her expertise, her compassion for the benefit of the patient. I've seen her sacrifices, the missed family gatherings, the postponed vacations, all for the sake of the patient. She juggles her responsibilities between being a healer, to a wife, to a daughter-in-law at home. So here's to my wife and to all the other doctors who has made the world a healthier and safer place to live. Thank you so much.
कोई रातों रात डॉक्टर नहीं बनता और मैंने डॉक्टर उपमा को मेहनत करके डॉक्टर बनते देखा है। मैंने देखा है कि जब मैं खेल रही होती थी छोटे पे तो वो पढ़ रही होती थी। जब मैं धीरे धीरे ग्रेजुएशन करने चली गई तब भी वो घंटों बैठ के चेयर पे पढ़ रही होती थी। इट्स लाइक नेवर एंडिंग प्रोसेस। आज भी जब वो आती है तो वो कहीं ना कोई बुक पढ़ रही होती है जो मेडिकल रिलेटेड होती है। कई वेकेशंस पे नहीं आ पाती है, लेकिन जब वेकेशंस पे आती है तब भी कहीं ना कोई पेशेंट दिमाग में चल रहा होता है, उसके लिए बेटर क्या हो सकता है। एक डॉक्टर शायद हर वक्त ही ये सोचता रहता है, क्योंकि जब वो वेकेशंस पे आती है तब भी वो डिस्कस करती है कि अलग अलग मेरी फैमिली में जो डॉक्टर्स हैं उनसे कि इस पेशेंट के लिए क्या बेटर हो सकता है, इन पेशेंट्स को कैसे लेते हो, मैं ऐसा करती हूँ। इस तरह की चीजें डिस्कस होती हैं तो पता चलता है कि ये तो प्रोसेस कभी खत्म ही नहीं होता। इट्स लाइक आप काम पे जाते हैं तब भी आप काम कर रहे हो और जब आप जॉब पे नहीं हैं तब भी बैक ऑफ द माइंड आप कहीं ना कहीं पेशेंट्स की जिंदगियां संवारने का काम कर रहे होते हैं।
Both my parents are doctors. Both of them are very hardworking people. Many times they've had to work overtime or cut short family time to take care of a patient. When I was younger, I would often accompany them to their workplace when they had urgent work or a higher workload and they couldn't leave me alone. As a child, I would often crib about sitting in their workplace waiting for them. But as I grew up, I realized the importance of their work and the impact they have on their patients' lives. Not everybody has the good fortune of making such a big impact on people's lives.
Her job involves correctly diagnose a genetic disorder. She is developing various tests to accurately diagnose genetic disorder in units. Due to the demanding nature of her job, she rarely gets time for her family. But whatever time she gets, she tries to spend that quality time with our son, teaching him all the good things. And she always tries to maintain work-life balance. And she has been a source of inspiration to many small town girls. I wish her all the success in her career.
To become a doctor, we have to sacrifice a lot. I have not seen my daughter for quite some time. There are so many obstacles and hardship we have faced in our life.
डॉक्टर्स भगवान का दूसरा रूप है एंड आई एम ग्लैड कि हमारे घर भी एक डॉक्टर है। थैंक यू दी फॉर प्रोवाइडिंग such a good services to us and all others.
And I could not be more proud and excited for her, for all that she's been doing for the community and our country.
She comes very late from duty. She's the best mom our whole world. I miss her so much. Happy Doctor's Day.
Happy Doctor's Day.
Happy Doctor's Day to all the hardworking doctors out there.
I wish you all a very happy Doctor's Day.
Be happy in Doctor's Day.
Happy Doctor's Day.
Happy Doctor's Day. Love you.
Salute to the heroes in white who are never off duty. We are proud of the army of doctors at Redcliffe Labs, always working beyond the clock for saving lives and spreading smiles. Wishing you all a very happy Doctor's Day.